the different types of doors, whether it's pocket doors or a regular swing or bifold or barn, or, I know there's all different types of mechanisms and systems. What do you see that's new to the market? Something, in different types of applications. I know that they're bifolding doors are, a lot of times used on closet doors. What type of mechanisms or specialty, hinge type products do you guys represent that you can tell me a little bit more about?
We are working, if we're talking about the swing door, we are working with Italian manufacturers, of course.
Okay.
And we're using the concealed hinges, the hidden hinges. They can be in different colors.
Oh, great.
This is the brand. These are
Very
the
nice.
colors, 3 pairs. And the same thing about the locks. We're using AGB locks. They're magnetic locks. The variety of handles which you can use with that lock is, I cannot even name that number because it's just numerous handles and different finishes and colors. If we're talking about more or less standard systems, that would be the pocket, bypass, bifold, and the barn, which are typical for United States. But we also are bringing the systems which are very famous and people love them in Europe. That will be the Magic sliding door system. We are the only ones who are bringing the Rotary System. Also,
and quick question, what exactly is the Rotary System or the Magic
Rotary
Door system? Yeah.
Well, the Magic System, it's type of like a barn door.
Oh, okay.
But you don't see the track. The hardware is hidden into the door. So when the door slides, you see just the beauty of the door, and that's it.
Amazing.
The Rotary System, a lot of times people are asking if that's a pivot door, and we say, no, sorry, this is not a pivot door. It is a rotary door. The pivot, where you have 2 pivots, and then the door is basically opening. The rotary door, it rotates. And whenever you go, you can have in swing. Whenever you enter in the room,
oh, wow.
you're in swing in the door. And the door, the best thing about the rotary door, and that it stops halfway. It stops in your rough opening exactly in the middle. So if you don't have room for in swing or out swing of the door,
right,
you can use the rotary door, and you will have plenty of space for that.
So that's an incredible solution. That really, I mean, as a homeowner, I wouldn't even known to look for that. You think that you're restricted based on what's already installed in a home, but I mean, the solutions that you guys have and what's on the market is absolutely incredible. And when thinking about it as a homeowner, it's not just the door that you're installing, with the concealed mechanism and the hinges and the magnetic lock. I mean, all of these things are incredible, where it's really changing the dynamic of your home and modernizing it to its full extent. So there's applications to interior doors that I personally wasn't even thinking about, that you've really been able to shed light on other factors of why improve your why change your interior doors. So that's great. I appreciate that.
Exactly. That's why we are asking people to actually call the door companies, to call the professionals, because first of all, we will know what you have at the job site. We call it a job site, people call it a home.